kyla-Lamya, the twins!
Hi guys, I'm back with another video, kyla-Lamya, the twins. But today, this is gonna be my own video. So my name's Lamya. Kyla's not here today because she's doing her own video of watercoloring. So that's why there's gonna be two separate videos, but with one twin. So I like canvases. I like to paint a lot, which I'll show you my other canvases I did before. I'll put that probably at the end of the video. I'll show you at the end of the video. So let's get started. So today we are going to be doing some lips. So I don't even know if I'm going to need an X-Acto knife because I don't know if I want to use an X-Acto knife. Really? Let's see. Wait, I want to do it on here. I don't know if I want to do it with an X-Acto knife. Well, I might do an X-Acto knife, so I'll be right back when I get done cutting this out, these lips. So I'm going to be doing drippy lips, but they're going to be a little bigger on the canvas. So I'm going to make a bigger outline around it, but not right here. Like a bigger outline on the lips. So it'll be bigger. Okay, I'm now back and I finished. So I'm gonna get my canvas back. Okay. Let me go this exactly. So as y'all see, it's very small. But for now, I'm gonna tape it down probably. No, I need a tracer for that. So let me get my pencil. Okay, I have my pencil right here. You might want to get it in the center so it won't look uneven. Let's do it right there. Okay. So all you're gonna do is trace around it, but you have to hold it down very well. It's not that hard, you just have to have a steady hand. Right here. Just don't move the paper around. So that's what I did with my unicorn one. And it wasn't that hard, it took a while. Because you don't want to buy it. Like if you have a printer, you just want to print out the paper because you don't want to buy a stencil. This is the best thing you could do, but just have a steady hand for it. So I'll be back when I get done. Did it. See? So I'll smooth that. I'll put this back on there and then we can start tracing. I don't feel like getting my teeth out because I'm going to hold it down. So yeah. Okay, this is washi tape I use for the other one that I use on my face one. So I'm going to show you all my canvases in as I said. So I'm going to put one right there. One right here. And then two on the side. No, one on the side. There you go. So I'm going to take my pencil. There you go. Okay. I think that might actually be very good. And you can take off the tape. It's not hard. It comes off really easy. And you can reuse this tape too. Okay. So that's how it looks. Okay. So if you want to get in really good detail, I'll be right back when I get all the lines done. Okay, so I'm now done, and this is how it looks. So I got all this stuff done. So I'm gonna get all this paper over here so it won't be on my way when I start painting. So I hope what I did was helpful to show you what I did. It did take a while, but it was worth it. Instead of doing it by hand and trying to get the perfect shape. Okay. So I did the lines all like that. So this be the red part. So I know what part colors are by this. I have this guide still. So this would be purple all right here. Blue and stuff. So I'm going to put that to the side right here so I can know what colors go first. Okay, I'm back and I have my paint tray. It has a little dry paint in it. So what colors we'll need is... So I'll be right back when ready. Okay, so now I'm back and we're going to start painting. So this side is the purple. So let me get a paintbrush. I'll probably start off this one. Get my purple paint. It's not supposed to be watercolor. Oh, my paintbrush is wet, that's why. I'm going to get some. Okay. And on the outside when I'm done with this, I'm going to paint the outside, like around it, the liner, black, so it'll pop out. So, all I have to do is do it good, but try not to get outside the line. I recommend a small paintbrush when you paint it, because you could get the perfect edges, because when you have a big one, you might get outside the line of it, so it might not look that good. So you want to get a small one, or a small short one if you want. Sorry, be right back when I get done. Okay guys, so now I'm back, and I just got done painting this as y'all saw. So now I'm gonna get a new paintbrush. Okay, let me get some black paint out. Can stand out around it. And leave the outside around the white so it might look prettier. Okay, I'm back and I finished. Devin, say hi. Hi. So I finished, and now we're gonna add some highlights. Say highlights. Highlights. So we're gonna take a little white. Things attracted to the other microfossils. Oh, hi guys. Hi guys. Do you think we should name our fans unicorns? Huh? Do you think we should name our fans unicorns? Do you like unicorns? Say unicorns. Unicorns. We're gonna add some highlights to it, and it's gonna be white. And now I finished. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Tell me what y'all want to do next time. I probably could do something else, like a different canvas painting. So tell me in the comments down below, what would you want me to do? A different canvas painting, which I really wanted to do so long time ago. So I finally did it. I really love it. So,
I want
color?
Yeah.
Just a second, okay? So now I'm going to show y'all all my canvas paintings that I promised.